Pip waddles out to have some fun. He looks up at the big bright sun. Just one sun in the sky so blue, shining down on me and you. Can you show me with this finger? The number 2 does as Pip meets some friends. Pip meets some friends at the zoo. 2 big elephants stomp, stomp, 2. 1 or 2 others, big ears of gray, flapping as they start to play. Can you stomp your feet? 1, 2, 3. Through the grass, what does Pip see? 3 orange tigers. 1, 2, 3. Stripes of black and paws so wide, watching Pip with lots of pride. Can you growl like a tiger? Grrr. The number 4 thaws in the trees near the jungle floor. 4 silly monkeys, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Swinging high and swinging low, watching Pip as he says hello. Can you swing your arm? Arm 2, 3, 4. Ember 4 thaws, running fast to stay alive. 5 zippy zebras, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Stripes of white and stripes of black, galloping down the dusty track. Can you run in place? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 4 thaws by the river playing tricks. 6 happy hippos, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Splashing water cool and deep, while the little penguin takes a peep. Can you make a splash? Splash! The number 4 flying high into heaven. 7 pretty parrots, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7 red and yellow, green and blue, squawking hello to Pip and you. Can you flap your wings? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No! The number my bows, jumping high, don't be late. 8 bouncy kangaroos, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boing boing across the grass, watching all the animals pass. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Boing! The number my, standing in a wiggly line. 9 penguin cousins, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Waddle left and waddle right in the cold and snowy light. Can you waddle like Pip? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number 10 bounds coming from the lion's den. 10 brave lions, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Golden manes and roars so loud, standing tall and looking proud. Can you give a big roar? Roar! Counting is fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting keeps our hearts alive. 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count them